Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree DIY video, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Christmas DIYs I made for my home, but this one is going to have a pink theme twist to it. So when I saw this little boot at Dollar Tree, I wanted to make it over because I'm not a fan of the tinsel, so I wanted to change it up and take off all that red and white tinsel and kind of change it up into a pink theme. So the first thing I did was I cut up all the tinsel and it just unraveled by itself. You can find the beginning part and unravel it, but I just cut one piece and started from there. And then what I wanted to do to make it pink was I wanted to use this yarn that they have at Dollar Tree that's so soft. I love this yarn. I couldn't wait to use it. It's really soft and they come in a bunch of different colors. I have the pink one, I also have the white one, and that's what I'm going to be using to make over this boot. Now I know a lot of people have gotten this type of soft kind of yarn at Joann's and Michael's for like a lot more, and it's a little bit thicker, but I was glad to find this one at Dollar Tree for just $1.25 because it kind of gives the look of the thick ones that people get at Joann's and Michael's, but without that Joann's and Michael's price. So I just added some hot glue to start it off, and I just started wrapping it around the boot, and I cut little pieces at a time and just keep wrapping it around and then gluing it down, and then just continue till I fill up the whole bottom part of the boot with the pink yarn. So this is how it turned out when I was done wrapping the bottom part with just the pink. As you can see, I overlapped the yarn so they can look a little bit thicker and a little bit soft. It kind of looks like a pillow. And then I took the white yarn and I did the top white, and it came out so cute. Again, you could do this with so many other different colors because this yarn comes with a bunch of different colors. Now to decorate the inside of it, I wanted to use these mini pine picks that I saw. I found these this year, but last year I found a pack just like this, but they're a little bit darker. So depending on which, in the holiday section they got the darker ones, and in the craft section they have these. But these are so cute. You can use them to decorate anything in your home, but I decided to put it inside the boot, and I think it's so cute. It's a cute little decoration that you can put anywhere. Add some berries to it. I was going to add some little gold berries to it as well, but I didn't have any, but that's something that you could do. But this could also be a pen or pencil holder as well, so let me know in the comments down below how would you decorate this, but I think I would just leave the greenery in it or use it as a pencil or pen holder. Now this little 3D tree, again, I liked it, but I wasn't a fan of the tinsel, so I wanted to make it over as well. So I took all the tinsel off. Now what I will say about this one is, I don't know if it was just mine, but when I took the tinsel off, these two pieces came apart. So what I did was I just took some hot glue and I glued it back together before I started it. And then with this one, I decided to decorate it to make it a white and black tree. So I used that same yarn that I used in the previous DIY, only I used the black yarn and the white yarn for this. Now these styrofoam cones are great for making Christmas trees during Christmas time, but the only thing I don't like is that they come in one size. So I like to have things at different heights. So I found this other little piece of styrofoam right next to it, and I put it on top of each other and realized that I can glue it together and make one a little bit bigger than the other. I don't know if this is what it's meant for, guys, but I decided to just put it together, and so I'm glad that they have that piece so that you can make different heights, because sometimes things look better when you have them at different heights whenever you're styling stuff. So I wanted to glue one together to make it a little bit taller and have the other one a little bit smaller, and then I wanted to make the exact same trees, well, not the exact same trees, but I wanted to use the exact same yarn that I used in the previous DIYs to make these trees as well. I'm really loving this yarn, and I'm really loving the soft and kind of like that pillow look for decor this year. So I wanted to use this yarn as much as possible as I can when I was making the pink DIYs. So I decided I was going to make a big pink tree, and then the smaller one was going to be a white tree. Now, if you guys remember in my Dollar Tree haul, I told you I was super excited to find these reindeers because I know that in other stores they go for way more, but I wasn't a fan of the plaid, so I decided to give it a little bit of makeover. And since we're doing a pink theme, of course I'm going to do a pink reindeer. So the first thing I did was I painted one of them pink, and then the other one I'm going to paint it black. For the bottom of these reindeers, the base, I didn't want to keep it that plain, you know, the plain white wood, because that's more kind of like farmhouse style. So what I did was I'm gonna take some Mod Podge and I'm going to put it all over the bottom, and I'm gonna use some of that fake snow that you can get at Dollar Tree and just fill it up with fake snow so it looks more of like a snowy kind of Christmassy reindeer decor. So if you've been following me for a while, you guys know that back during Easter time, I made a huge cloche using Dollar Tree products, and I decorated it with Easter items. Well, I wanted to take that huge cloche that I made and decorate it with Christmas items this year, and I wanted to use the Christmas items that I shared with you guys in my recent Dollar Tree haul. You know, the light up trees, the pink trees. I'm going to add some fake snow in there. So basically, I'm going to take this cloche that I already had on hand and decorate it in a pink theme for Christmas. And of course, this is going to be in my craft room, and you guys will probably see this cloche in like the background of my videos because it's going to be on the table behind me, so you guys will always see it. But I love decorating apothecary jars and cloches, huge cloches. You can make your own with Dollar Tree products, and I love decorating them for Christmas time because you can always add trees and reindeers and all different types of ornaments from Dollar Tree. So this is just an idea that I had to decorate it with trees and a reindeer, and I love the fact that the trees that I have light up, so it makes it even more prettier inside the cloche itself. But you guys can decorate it with any other, you know, ornaments or any other Dollar Tree products that y'all have, but this is just the idea that I came up with, and I just absolutely love it. And also, I do want to point out that once I put the lid on this, you'll see that it starts to get blurry and you can't really see things, and I'm sorry for that. It's just that my camera, once the lights hit the top of it, it just makes it kind of blurry and hard for it to look at. So when I'm taking pictures for you guys, they don't turn out exactly how I want them, so you can't really see how beautiful this comes out. But this is absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite DIYs. I love how it came out, but again, when my lights hit it and how my camera is, it just sometimes doesn't turn out the way that I want it to be. But hopefully you guys can get the gist of the idea that I'm trying to give to you. But that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I hope you like these simple, easy DIYs that can make a beautiful statement in your home and don't take up too much time. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.